raccoon in there. Now I'm gonna see if I can get my dump truck to run. Been a few years since it's been running, but steel's piling up and back and need to haul it off, and iron price went up a little bit, so I'll see if we can get it running. Tromp through the weeds here. Hopefully there's no snakes up here. I haven't had the hood open in quite a while. She's an old rusty gal, but she's trusty. At least it was. Yeah, I guess the keys are still in it. This one's older. Hood pops out here. I was thinking it was like my ramp truck. There's a raccoon in there. What are you doing in there, Mr. Raccoon? Get. Anybody know how to get rid of a raccoon? Come on, get out of there. Didn't think there'd be a raccoon under here. That may be a snake. Come on, get out of there. Get off my distributor cap. Get. Get. You got a stick to poke him with. Get out of there. Get. Anyways, that wasn't what I was expecting to see underneath there. Grab my phone. They don't have rabies or nothing. By hiding underneath there, it's kind of strange to see a raccoon in the day. Some of those raccoons can be mean little varmints. This is where the hell he climbed up to. Where he's hiding at. Or no, I climbed inside. There's some holes in the floor, but it might be a little too small for him to get through. Where you at, Mr. Raccoon? I didn't see him run off anywhere. How many flat tires I got? Looks like he left a little present for me there. Where you at? Get out of here. I hear something. Get. Oh well. I'm gonna take the air cleaner lid off. Put a little gasoline down in her. Put a battery in it. See if we can get her to run. I have to unhook the fuel line down here. You don't want to suck nasty gas up in the carb. Get out of there, I need your present. Looks like it's fresh too. It scared the crap out of him. Glug drink. So the carb soak up for a while so the accelerator pump starts to work. do it. I'll grab the battery and put the battery in and hook that line down there. See if it'll turn over and start. Just better check the water in it. Be some antifreeze in it. Yeah, you probably can't see it on camera, but it's down there. It's probably about right in there. That's good. Should still have oil in it. Yep, she's still got oil in her. I'll get the battery hooked up here and get that fuel line off and see what it does. I'm a praying mantis. Better pray for me, buddy, that raccoon don't get me. I don't need rabies. Well, I haven't seen any signs of the raccoon. Get the battery in, get that fuel line off. Really needs a new hose, it's all rotten. Check the power steering, it was low, put some in there. Of course, filled the carb for gas. Guess it's do or die time. Hopefully the raccoon didn't make it inside the truck. I don't see him. Got it behind the seat or not. I don't see him there. Maybe he could be under the seat. But... hopefully the clutch isn't stuck. See what she does. Turn over anyways. Try run. Start up pretty easy. It's gonna run out of gas here. There's only fuel in the carburetor. So. I've always had good luck with this old truck. Let's start. Let's run. I'll have to put a jug underneath the hood and hook to the fuel pump to get it out of here because I don't know what's in the tank. Might not be any gas in it. Could be all rotten, nasty stuff. I don't want that up in the fuel pump or the carburetor because that'll cause way more problems than I want to deal with at the moment. Guess we better get out and look for leaks. Apparently it's running out of gas. I don't see any major leaks or nothing. Yeah, let's go find some hose. Hook on there. Like a little jug underneath here so I can drive it out of here. Looks like the engine could use it cleaning. Got a big old mud dauber's nest back there. We're gonna see if we can get her to run for a while. I got a hose hooked up to it. And across here, down inside to that jug down in there. See if she starts up again. Try new. There's that awesome fuel tank. The hose ran out the window. Like to use more power steering fluid. Hell, it's running, but apparently the fuel pump is no good. It's leaking. I need to change fuel pump. Now I gotta remove back a little bit. She's sunk in the dirt pretty good down here. Anyways, have to pull it down in front of the shop so I can get her roadworthy. That brought the dump truck down in front of the shop. Get a little more roadworthy. All the stuff that was wrong with from sitting forever. Open the hood here. Stuck a different fuel pump on it. does not leak with a new piece of hose. Filled up the antifreeze a little low, filled up power steering fluid because it was low. It actually leaks out of the steering box, which I need to get a new seal for it. Just haven't done it. Also, installed brand new brake hoses on the front. On both sides. Because this caliper was sticking last time I drove it. And it's because the hose was collapsed where these clamps are. And the reason why they collapse is they get rusty and they start squeezing tighter and tighter on the hose. So, I no longer have a sticking caliper. And also I changed the front tires because the front tires were not exactly in the greatest condition. Especially if I want to go driving to dump all that scrap metal. I don't need a front tire blowing out. And under there, everything's good to go. I can see it on this side too. There's a new brake hose up in there. And there you can see it. Those hoses are a pain in the ass to remove. They see down in the frame because they have threads on them. There's like a nut that screws on it, but I got them replaced. There's the front tires that were on it. Now they're like brand new. Got all kinds of tread, but they are cracked all over the place. I don't trust them. This one's actually worse than the other one. It's like brand new too. Just cracks all over in it. I'm not going to trust them. Because if you blow out a front tire, you're screwed. You have to change the tire. At least on the back. You got two wheels, so if one blows, you still got another and you keep it going. Well, you shouldn't drive with a blowed out tire, but you get the idea of what I'm talking about. Anyways, I should do it on the dump truck. Hopefully I don't get attacked by any more raccoons either. Their bites hurt. Give you rabies.